Hello there guys, welcome back to another new video. Now today you join me back in the Yaris again, and that is because the Audi is going off to paint. So basically my dad is going to be going down in the Audi because I don't think he'd appreciate driving this, and yeah, I'll be taking the Yaris down and we'll be coming back in that. So for those of you that don't know what damage is getting done on the what's getting repaired on the Audi, it is the damage on the front end. That is the worst of it. I don't know where my dad's gone. Where is Dad? Oh, Dad's gone down there. Okay. Yeah. So the front end is the worst of the damage on the Audi, minus the wheels as well. So yeah, we're getting the front end done today. They said that it should take about 2 days to get done. So I'll probably get the car back towards the end of the week. Today is Tuesday. There's the Audi. Yeah, today is Tuesday. So I should be getting the car back either Thursday or Friday, if stuff goes to plan. Which, when it comes to my life, not a lot of stuff does go to plan. So, without further ado, I'll probably keep the camera rolling a bit and yeah, I'll probably keep the camera rolling a bit and see if there's anything interesting on the drive. In fact, I've changed my mind. I'm not going to bore you with the rest of this journey. The next time the camera will be rolling will be when we pick the Audi up. So until then, this is the intro to the video. We're dropping the Audi off, it's getting the front end fixed. Let's see how it ends up in the next clip. Rightio then guys, it is now a couple of days later. I am back in the Audi. I've literally just gone to pick it up, and it's safe to say, yet again, chips and dinks came out strong. I am well impressed with the result. Let's jump out of the car and I'm going to show you. So here she is. Look at that. It is mint. No more dent. Absolutely mint. Wings done, half the front bumper's done, even down here has been done. The only thing that I can fault is the gap lines are off because the wing is still slightly buckled. But for a smart repair, you ain't going to get any better than that at all. And it ain't even like the shut lines are off majorly either. Like, I don't know, they're off by, what, a couple of mil? But she's starting to look fresh again. The next thing that I'm going to be doing will probably be the wheels. I've already spoke to the bloke about doing the wheels because they are nasty. That's going to cost me about $280. So wheels are next. Front bumper's done. This car is slowly coming together and I am loving it. Absolutely loving it. Granted, she needs a clean, but hey ho. In a German, in a German, in a German whip, in a foreign car. So there we go. She's back. She looks bloody good. Now, I need to give a special thank you again to Chips and Dinks, based in Newington in Kent. Did an absolute banging job again on one of my cars, and honestly, for a smart repair company, I can't fault them. He uses the best sort of paints and lacquers and primers and stuff like that. He uses the best stuff in the business, and he charges affordable money as well. For me to get that dent pulled and the half the bumper resprayed and the whole wing resprayed, it cost me 250 quid. Can't complain with that at all. And the finish that you get a mirror finish as well. Honestly, I cannot complain over that, because that is just, you know, that's just crazy. But yeah, hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did enjoy this video, I do apologise it is a short one. I would have overlaid some videos of, or pictures or something of the damage beforehand. further back in the video. But yeah, if you did enjoy this video, be sure to smash that like button. Comment down below what you think of the finish of this car, because I think it looks bloody stunning, not gonna lie. I think it looks sick. Yeah, more importantly, hit that subscribe button. Let's try and get this channel moving again. I've got a few good videos coming on the Yaris coming up in the sort of next month or so. Got a couple of good videos coming up on that. I've got well, I might have some videos to come on this, I'm not too sure. This is only a daily, this ain't really a content car, but I'm sure we can find something. And I might even do a comparison video between the Audi and the Yaris and sort of, you know, compare how they drive and all that jargon, really. I don't know. But yeah, we have got some content coming up, guys. I'm in such a good position right now. I might even have some good news to break to you. I don't know. I need to talk to someone first, but I might have some good news to break to you guys. But you're gonna have to stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next one.